Hello mathematicians, I hope by the end of this video you can say I can calculate slope from two input-output points. We're going to look at 4 examples here today. So before we look at our examples, let's just remember slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or more simply stated, slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So we're given the points 4, 2 and negative 6, negative 10, and just remember it goes x comma y. So let's have this over here be our x2 and our y2. So you're going to say our slope is equal to, so let's go with negative 10. That is our y2 minus our y1, which is 2, over our x2, which is negative 16, minus our x1, which is 4. So that is just going to be equal to negative 4 minus 2 is going to be equal to negative 12 over negative 16 minus 4 is negative 20. So our answer is going to be positive, and now we just need to simplify this. We have a negative over negative, so we know our answer is going to be positive, and we can divide both of these by 4, and we're going to get 3 over 5 as our slope right here. So our slope is equal to 3 over 5 for that problem. Let's look at another example here. So we're given the points negative 4, 4 and negative 6, 6. Let's have this be our x2 and y2. So our slope is going to be equal to, so our y2 is 6, minus our y1, which is 4, over our x2, which is negative 6, minus our x1, which is negative 4. So when this is a negative, so it's minus a negative, so let's just change this to plus 4. All right, and we know 6 minus 4 is 2. Over negative 6 plus 4, that is negative 2. Okay, so 2 over negative 2 is going to give us just negative 1. So our slope is equal to negative 1 right here. So we're given the points negative 8, 3 and negative 8, 2. Okay, so our slope is going to equal to, let's have this be our y2 and our x2. So it's going to be, our y2 is 2. Our y1 is 3, so 2 minus 3 over our x2 is negative 8 minus our x1, which is negative 8, so again plus 8. And now we're going to see 2 minus 3 is negative 1 over negative 8 plus 8. That is 0. So if we have negative 1 over 0, that means our slope is undefined. So in this situation, our slope is undefined. So we're given negative 9, 5 and negative 17, 5. So let's have this be our y2 and our x2. So our slope is going to be equal to our y2, which is 5, minus 5, which is our y1, over our x2, which is negative 17, minus our x1, which is negative 9, so minus negative 9, so I'm going to change that to plus 9. So 5 minus 5, that is 0. Okay, and as soon as we have 0 up here, if we wanted to, we could finish this out. So negative 17 plus 9, that's going to be negative 8, but 0 over anything is going to be equal to 0. So our slope is going to be equal to 0 in this last example here. Okay. So that is it for our video. I hope by now, with a little bit of practice, I hope you can say I can calculate the slope given two input-output pairs.